And hello there Gundam fans and folks, this is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now what we have here is the 1/144 HG Cosmic Era Black Knight Squad Shi-ve-A from the movie Gundam Seed Freedom. Yes, so in the box art we see the mobile here. Really bad guy vibes, with the cool sword, nice shield, and of course a cape, beam cape. And off to the side again, we see the seed action system is also in this kit. For the neck, the body, the shoulder, but not for the legs. And yeah, we can see different cool poses that you can do with him. Some gimmicks that he has, like the double, the Dark Maul blade, this guy, a claw coming out, and of course a beam cape. Off to the other side, we see him, Black Knight Shi-ve-A, unpainted, the rear, front, and of course its story from the Gundam Seed Freedom Movie. And opening up, and let's see what's inside the box. We have one bag with all black and 2 beam saber effects and a sticker. Another bag with gray and another beam saber effect. Last bag, yeah, we have a multicolored sprue, all gold, and then another black. And of course the beam cape is here. It's soft, and I think it's made of plastic, PET, I think. And of course the instruction manual. And unlike Rising Freedom and Immortal Justice, they do actually say who the pilot is. It's Shura Serpentine, which is the Secretary of Defense and Royal Guard Commander of, yes, the Kingdom of Foundation. I think this is the other side of the conflict between Compass and these guys. Well, anyway, let's take a look individually at the sprues. Okay, and first off, we have the A sprue, which is a multicolored sprue. We have some dark grays, light grays, reds, and of course black. So mainly this kit or mobile suit is all black, but yep, it has some light grays, dark grays for accents. We have the B sprue, which is all gold, and yes, I'm missing a part here. Actually, it just fell off because yes, shipping happens. So yeah, for the inner frame, the joints, it's all made of gold. We have the C sprue here, which is all black, and yeah, I think most of these are some parts for the backpack, legs, mostly for the armor. It also has a D1, which is again more parts for the armor, and a D2. Which, if we get the D1 again, yeah, just some part of the D1 is replicated and some new parts are added. So that's the D1 and the D2. And we have 2 E sprues here, which is the dark gray. And we have loads of beam saber effects. Yeah, 3 actually. And of course the beam cape, we cannot forget the beam cape here. And yes, again, stickers which I will not use, but surprisingly they have 2 choices of eye here, dot and a slash. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the 1/144 HGCE Black Knight Squad Shi-ve-A of the Kingdom of Foundation, piloted by Shura Serpentine. And I don't know how this plays into the movie because I haven't seen it yet. It's not been released here in the Philippines yet. And I'm not sure if this is really spoiler alert maybe, or I don't know. Is this the guy who one-shotted the Rising Freedom? Anyways, yeah, we'll find out once the movie is released here. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.